Okay, I'm gonna send you the link in Zoom chat.
Mm.
Let me know once you're in.
Uh, I'm inside the already opened the VS Code to the link.
Great. Um, you should be able to sign in either as guest or GitHub.
Sorry?
Can you share your screen?
Okay. Okay. So I think I've never used WebShare before.
Okay, that's okay. Yeah, just open Visual Studio Code if you can.
Mm, I don't know. I don't really. So, uh,
I
I
think you
already have.
already have it.
Okay.
Yeah,
This is right?
yeah, it's working.
I think it's still loading, right?
Yep, takes a while.
Uh,
Okay,
oh,
can you open the file? Yeah. Okay, good, good. Very good. Okay, can you go to extensions in Visual Studio Code? Yep, that one. Search up Pirate, Pyret. Okay, could you install the first one? Yeah. Okay. Just wait a bit while it loads. Okay, let's go back to the file. Okay, so it's the same thing as last time, but now it's in Visual Studio Code. Okay.
I think,
All right, great. Do you remember what we were working on last time?
yeah.
It's the traffic light system, right? Okay. Remember what we wrote? We said a traffic light system is one of go,
Oh,
slow down, and stop. You remember?
yes, I remember that.
Okay, could you write all of this down again? Same thing as last time?
Yes. Uh, but I remember the comment. Uh,
Yes.
I remember this move. I don't remember that guy. I remember, like, but I can't remember the exact words. And,
Okay. So
yeah.
I'll give you a different example. S- Okay, so I've written an example here, but this is for a door system. I would like you to do this, but for a traffic light. Okay? It's the first one is go, then slow down, in double quotes,
This that the
oh, stop. Last one is stop. Perfect. Next, we have to write the meaning. Okay, so what's the meaning of this traffic light system? How would you explain it to a human?
um, sorry. Traffic light system, it's used to control movement between the road users, that is the pedestrian, cyclist, motorist, and so on.
Okay, very good. Let's write that down. Very good. Okay, next we write examples. So like my line 8 and line 9. But this is not a comment. It has to be a variable. Okay, the slowdown must be one word. We need to replace the space in slowdown with an underscore. Not that one, the first one.
Um,
Not that one. It's the variable name. Yes. Another thing is that the strings must be the same. So like here, like those go string must be the same. You see that?
okay, I
All
don't get
So line 13 and line 21, the string must be consistent. They have to be the same.
line 13, line.
Yeah, the string go is either, do you want to have it all caps, all capital?
Oh, right. But go, it's all capital.
Oh no,
Oh,
not the variable name, the string.
oh, it should be all capital.
Yeah, it needs to
That
be
is,
same as line 13.
ah,
Okay?
uh,
Uh, and same thing with slow down and stop. They must be consistent. Very good. Okay, so let me summarize what has happened. So what we're doing is this is the design recipe for data definitions. Okay? Design means go from problem to solution systematically in steps.
intanto,
Recipe,
Nicolino, PTL, Paranasol,
sorry,
Pinusos, Saman,
sorry, what's that?
Nakwa, oh, sorry.
Okay.
Okay,
All right, data
Nakwa,
definitions.
Zandikaji, definition, what does the conventional 69 mean to human computer? Kuna kitu wanatoka,
Okay.
uh, uh,
Next, there are right now three steps with design recipe.
uh,
Okay, first is data representation. So a traffic light system has go, slow down, or stop. That's data representation, how the computer understands the data. Okay?
okay,
Next is meaning or interpretation. How does the human understand the information? Okay.
Okay.
Three examples. What are examples of the data? So lines 21 to lines 23, they are examples. Okay.
Okay.
So this is the design recipe for data definitions. When you want to make a data definition, you have to follow these three steps, at least for our sessions. All right.
All right.
Okay, so I'm going to move on to a different idea now. So for now, I just want you to follow along with my door example. So here I have a door system. It's either open or closed. Okay?
Okay.
It cannot be both at the same time. It's only one of them. Okay?
Yeah. All right.
So now I want to create a function that activates the door. If the door is open, closes it. If it's closed, opens it. Okay?
Okay.
So first I write fun to say a function. Next, I name my function activate. Next,
Uh-huh.
I by the
Mhm.
parameter I take in a door, okay?
Uh-huh.
And then I have to fill in the blanks. Next thing, I want to say what's the inputs and outputs of this function. That's what a function is. A function goes from inputs to outputs, and I must say what it takes in. First, it takes in a door system, okay?
Okay.
And it produces another door system, okay?
All right. Right.
So, any questions so far?
Okay. No patience still.
Okay. So, to determine if two so now I have a door system. This door system could be open or closed.
Right.
Okay?
All right.
Um let me think about this. Is there a okay. So to do this, so we need to do a conditional. Is it one or the other? Is it open or closed? I'm asking a question. So we need to use a conditional. In this language, to use a conditional, we say if. Okay?
Uh,
If the door system is open, what do we do? We give
yes.
close, right?
Right. Else.
Else, oh, so we can say else or we can say else equal. I prefer to say else if.
Uh, close and
If it's
open.
closed, then open, right?
Right.
Okay. Um, Let me check something. I think that's it, but give me 1 second. I think it needs an N. Sorry, give me 1 second.
All right.
Let me try running this. Yeah, wait, I think it's this. Yeah, okay. So in this language, you must say and after the if statement, right?
Right.
So this is important, okay? Do not forget.
Okay.
Okay, but there's one thing that I so okay, two things I want you to observe two things. First, notice how the data definition, so I'm going to draw some arrows.
Uh,
Lines 4 and 5. In fact, I think it'd be better if I do this. You see this? Lines 4 and 5, 15 and 16, they are the same. They look the
uh,
same, right?
right.
Okay, let me do this. So lines 4 is the same as line 15. Line 5 is the same as line 16. Okay?
Okay. I think they are the same, but I can see is like the other one is in caps and the other one is in small letters. Yeah, like I mean, this open the way it is here, the same as the way it is here. And I can see this one is like the other one here.
Okay. Okay. Same isn't the correct word actually. The correct word is actually symmetrical. That's
Yeah,
symmetrical. They are symmetrical. So 4 and 14 and 5 and 15, we say they're symmetrical, right?
right.
So the function function for a given data definition, in our case, door system, has the same structure as the given data definition. How the function looks very similar to how the data definition looks. Okay?
Okay.
Very, very important. Remember this for the rest of your life. Understanding this is the difference between a good programmer and a great programmer. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. There's one more thing I like to do actually. So this I haven't shown you yet, but we are going to write a test case. If we activate open, what happens? What does this give us?
Close
Close, right? So I say is close. How about activate close
gives open.
is open? Oops.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, what? Huh? My keyboard. Okay. Okay, can you click run? Oh, wait. I have to. Sorry. Okay, sorry. Now can you click run? Do you see all two tests in this block passed?
Yeah.
Okay, click show details. Okay, so there are, this is how you write a function for a data definition. So let me explain what are the steps again. So first, okay, let me write this design recipe for functions. So design and recipe, they're the same. Okay, so step one is signature. How does the computer understand input and output? So for example, an example of a signature is door system to door system. Okay.
Okay.
Second is purpose statement. How does a human understand the function? So for door system, we say it activates the door. If the door is open, closes it. If it's closed, opens it. Okay.
Alright.
Next, examples or tests. Given
Mm,
some input, what is the output? Okay.
okay.
So this is lines 19 and lines 20.
Oh,
So far, so good. Finally, write the body of the function. Okay?
Okay.
Now, I'm going to do this again from start to finish so that you can see what is this. I want you to repeat this for a traffic light system later. But okay, I'm going to do it from start to finish. So first signature, door system to door system. Next, uh, activates the door. If it's open, closes it. If it's closed, opens it. Okay? So that's step
Yeah.
two. Step three. Okay, so first I write the signature. So this is what's that? Oh, activate, right? Activate. So body, I don't fill it in yet. Okay, next, step three, examples and tests. So I activate open is close. Activate close
Yes.
is open. Okay.
Okay.
Next, I fill in the body. Now to fill in the
Yeah.
body, I first I ask myself, okay, I have a door system. What's a door? It's either open or closed, so I must ask a question. Open or close? So if I use a conditional. So I compare strings, I use string equal. So is the door system open? If yes, I close it. Else, if the door system is closed, I open it. Then I say N. Okay? After this, you run it. I run it, all pass, I'm happy. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Now it's your turn. Can you do this for, I'm going to copy and paste the guide to the bottom of the file. I'd like you to repeat this for traffic light system. So I want you to create a function that changes the state of a traffic light. So I'll write this down for you. A traffic light, it goes from stop to go, go to, and then goes, wait, okay, wait. Go goes to slow down, and then slow down becomes stop. Okay?
Okay.
Can you create a traffic light system, a function for traffic light that does this, please?
All right. And I have started the fun here. So, is that perfect? Yes, so in this I'll say I use a if statement, big string that equal. So in the first thing, can say I'll put the statement after the statement. I'll end with first put end, and then go to where. So if equal, there is system. Let's say is go, and then if go, then you're supposed to slow down.
Okay, can we pause for a second?
All right.
Okay, so one thing I want you to work on is I want you to first write the signature. So it's like line 12. I have a comment that says door system to door system. I also want that for this function. Could you write that first?
Okay. Uh, so describe traffic system. Um,
A traffic light system, right? Traffic light. Like it must be the same as line 24.
and system
Yep.
is And,
Just realized since.
so this one gonna have three different parts. So first go if go, activate, slow down, and slow down, activate, stop, and stop, activate, go. So activate, press the traffic. So if go, slows down, hmm, if, if it slows down, if it slows down, it stops it. Then if it if it stops, it goes. I think if it stops, that's the correct term for that. It go and it goes. Uh, it then go.
Nice. Okay. What's next?
Alright. Go, it, big line. So we'll have that. This we'll have the if as if.
So for our purposes for this session, I will save this for last. Can you write dot 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 first and write the test cases first?
Uh,
Can you write
then
test cases first?
okay.
So new line and where?
That one should be inclined at the end. There.
Yep.
Uh, I think it should be.
Don't forget the colon. Where colon?
Alright. Three and the end.
And let's write the
Uh,
tests first for where.
alright. Activate. Activate traffic. Uh, this one is oh, this is the first one. Gonna be go.
Mm-hmm.
Then it's gonna lead the slow down. It's gonna activate slow down. Cut everything. So release and then slow down. Gonna activate stop. Then stop. Gonna activate go.
Very good. So this is the third step of the design recipe. Now let's move to the fourth. Okay, I have to give you a new Zoom link because this one's going to expire. So check your Gmail and I'll see you in a minute, okay?
All right.
Okay, welcome back. Let's move on to the fourth step of the design recipe.
All right. So I'm gonna implement the if and I'm just gonna take this string,
Yep.
string equals. I'm gonna copy this thing. Yeah. So it's
Not is, it's colon, and you don't need the is.
all right.
Yeah, that's good.
I'm gonna use else if this.
Yep.
Else if slow down. It's slow down and stop. How do I use just else instead of else if?
So the reason why I prefer else if instead of else is because we're being symmetrical to the data definition.
All right.
Like if the data definition changes, the else
Uh-huh.
wouldn't catch the wrong case. Does that make sense?
Yeah. Makes sense.
Okay. What's the third case? Is it slow down there?
Uh,
Stop, right? Okay, very good.
yes, and then and
Okay. Yeah, let's write N. Let's run it. Do you run it?
yes.
Yay, we all test pass. Congratulations. Okay.
Uh, okay. I think I first saw this one auto test and I was wondering why, but I think it's for the previous one activate no. Yeah.
So sorry, was I can sorry, I didn't catch what you're saying.
Okay. First time I it run, I saw this activate door and I saw all two tests pass. So I was wondering why. And this side all two tests and this side three tests. I didn't check like these are there are different functions for activate draw and activate traffic, and like if when I hit run, it trained like just both of them.
Yes. Yes. So when the test comes from the where block, so line 53 to line
Uh,
55. When you hit
yeah,
run, it will run your test cases. Make sense?
yes.
Okay,
No.
very good. Okay, now I want you to design another function. So design a function that gets the color for a given traffic light state. So I'll tell you what those colors are. For go, I want you to give me green. Um,
Uh,
for slow down, I want yellow. And for stop, I want you to give me red. Okay?
okay,
All right, let's
right.
go. Let's go.
So this
Actually, no, what's the first step of the design recipe?
okay. I just write like the all code from function.
Okay.
Oh no. Okay, I remember. I know what you mean. This is a designer traffic. It's like still a traffic light, right?
Okay. So yeah, we call this the signature. Yes.
Yeah, and it's okay. I said it's still for the traffic light system.
Yeah.
All right. Uh, traffic light system. So this one activates, activates, just activates the traffic. Maybe if so, green, green, if slow down, it's yellow, then if red, right?
Very good. But I wouldn't say activates the traffic. I feel like that's not clear. Can we say gets the color of the traffic? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Very good. For line 65, remember how a function goes from inputs to outputs? We have the input here, but what's the output?
Yeah. It's giving up traffic.
Okay, let's pause for a second. So the result of this function is a color, right?
Yes, Pakal.
Okay, so color, when I say color, it's information. Remember what we said about information and data? You and I, we're talking green, red, yellow. This is information. But how do we represent that information as data? Is it a traffic light system?
Okay. In that, I can say is it's what controls the traffic, like in data form, and then information now to give it a clear answer, traffic light system.
Okay, sure. Okay, that's fine. Let's keep going then.
Now that the head code for that. Hello?
Yes.
I'm asking, do I like the code for that now?
Sorry, I didn't catch the question.
Sorry, I had to say I proceed. Now I'm asking, now do I write the functions and like the code and then run it?
Oh, yes, yes. So the third step of the design recipe, yes. So first write the function, but do not fill in the body. Write the test cases first.
All right,
Yeah.
so I have a function, the function, then so function is gonna mm,
Can we give this a better name? What would be a descriptive name for this function?
and basic color
Yeah, sure.
and yeah, and then let traffic light system. So
Can we fill in the where block first?
yes,
So
yes,
test cases, yeah.
um, you just been green.
Wait, what is green? Is green a variable?
No, okay, I didn't even define it. Should I should I add them this way first?
Okay, we can try that. Mhm. Okay. Can we call the variable a different name?
Apart from go,
Like maybe gold color?
uh, this way.
Yeah, sure. That works. The yellow needs a closing double quote,
and red too.
and the red needs to be in double quotes. Very good. Okay, let's go back to line 79 and let's complete the test cases.
So okay, uh, now this place right now I'm like go with now go color or just go.
You tell me, what does the function take in? Does it take in a color or a traffic light system?
Okay, right here now the function takes in the traffic light system.
Traffic light
Right.
system. Okay.
Okay, I think it should produce a color like
Yes.
if it's go the the input should be this, but now the output should be green.
Okay, sure, let's do that.
Uh, I don't think is it the right way that way. Uh,
Okay. Hmm. Okay, what's next? So what's the last step of the design recipe after test cases?
Provide the if statement.
It's the body, right? The body of the function, and that begins with an if statement. Okay.
Is the traffic light system. Okay.
Let's pause for a second. Is traffic light system a color?
Now the color is the traffic color. Uh,
Okay.
thank
Could you scroll up to line 24? A traffic light system, actually, we don't say has, actually. We should say is one of. A traffic light system is one of go, slow down, or stop, right?
right.
So if you look at line 47 to line 49, We're checking, is the traffic light system go, slow down, or stop, right?
Right.
So we're not checking the traffic light system against a color. We're checking, is it go, slow down, or stop?
Plus, alright. Yeah. Okay. I think now I'm ready. So in this case, I think if it's go,
Mm-hmm.
then it's gonna produce a color which is green. I think
Good.
is that the right way?
Yes, yes, perfect. Keep going.
Uh, then if it is else, we put if it is bit slower down, which now I'll put next. If it's slower down, it's gonna give a color which is yellow.
Okay.
And else it is a string equal. And again, if it stops, it's gonna give a red.
Good. Okay. I need to start wrapping up our session because we're running out of time. I want to give you some feedback. And if you have time, I want to give you some tasks to see if you can complete this before our next session. But no worries if you don't have time. Okay, first for feedback, um, try to give variable names with this naming format. Uh,
Uh,
like hello world. So notice how it's lowercase, separate
mhm.
words separated by hyphens, and try
Alright,
to give constants. So like variable names like parameters. So like this like parameters. Constants, these are like things that don't change. Like go with
go.
this naming format. Hello world. So it's uppercase, words separated by underscore. Um, oh, actually, variable names and function names. Okay.
Mhm.
Uh, Also, does activate traffic color really produce a traffic light system? Check line 69. Try to run this and make all tasks pass if you can, if you have time.
Right.
Okay, I do have to wrap up. If you look at my screen, you can right click traffic.arr and then you should be able to download it. Wait. Okay. I will send this to you, but I think you can download it from Visual Studio Code. Okay.
Okay.
All right. I gotta run out. All right. I hope you enjoyed the session and I hope to see you again. All right. Goodbye, Steve.
Send to you. Goodbye.